I'm Xuelian Li. Now I'm doing the homework 2 of the first question. And the first question gives us this function like a times 1 minus e to the minus bx and times the step function. And in this function, a and b are opposite constants. And the first question is let us find a, and a is constant number. And from the properties of distribution function, we know that f to f of infinite equals 1. So we put the infinite into this function, we can get a times 1 minus e infinite. And we all know that e to the x is grows up. When x to the infinite, it grows up. Then e to the minus x, it will grow to 0 when x equals infinite. So it equals 0. Then we can get this function equals a. Then we know a equals 1. And the second question, let us draw fx. We put the a equals 1 to this function, we can get fx equals 1 minus e to the minus bx times unit function times step function. And from the step function, we can know that if n is greater than 0 or bigger than 0, the function always equals to 1, and otherwise the function equals to 0. So we can know that if x is greater than a or equals to a, this function is equals to 1 minus e to the minus bx. If x smaller than a, it equals 0. And we should we have to draw this one, and e minus bx plus 1. First we draw this one. We know that we can know from it, and this one should be drawn as this is minus 1. And if the function plus 1, it should move it up 1 unit. So it's like, it should be like this, and it's the point 0. And but in this function, we can know that if x greater than a is like this function, so we suppose in this point it is a, and so if it's bigger than a, it should be like this, and it's smaller than a, it should be 0. So the function likes this. And the second and the third one is find and draw fx. A is the density of distribution function. So we can get fx is the density of distribution. So we can get e minus bx if x bigger than a and x is smaller than a. And we need to draw this one. This picture is like we suppose this point is a, then this picture should like this. If x smaller than a, it is equals 0. If x bigger than a, it should be like this. Now, it's the first question. It's all done. Thank you.